Good afternoon and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're taking a look at a 2014 utility, 48 foot by 102. Folks, this is a very nice steel wood deck unit. Underside's been turbo blasted, primed and repainted. Brand new kingpin plate underneath. Structure's been completely rebuilt inside. Brand new buyer's toolbox. This is a 48 foot by 102 steel wood, sliding tandem rear axle, air ride suspension, brand new rubber, brand new brakes and drums. Outer rim is aluminum. Universal mounting kit on the back, Moffett and Princeton. Load Mac, many other brands. Just let us know what you have. We can make alterations for you. Outer rim, aluminum, brand new rubber all the way around. Brakes and drums are new, brand new straps, refurbed ratchets, excellent condition. Landing gear's been checked out. This is a 2014 utility 48 by 102 with a universal mounting kit. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. This is Equipment Remarketing, and we appreciate your time.